Learn how to clear cookies, cache, and history in Safari web browser.
The first step you need to take is to locate the settings of your iPhone. Look at mine here, I'll tap on it. Once you're on this settings page, scroll down, then tap on the apps settings. Scroll down until you get to Safari. Everything is arranged in alphabetical order, alright? Look at Safari here, tap on it. On tapping on Safari, scroll down, you will get to this part where you have history and website data. Tap on clear history and website data. Then, what range do you want to clear? Alright, and here 1 hour is selected, so I'll tap on all history because I want everything to be cleared. Alright, you see additional options, close all tabs. Okay, I want it to clear and close all tabs. Alright, so I'll check this, then tap on clear history. Alright, so everything about different websites have been cleared. You can also scroll down until you get to advanced and tap on that advanced option. Then tap on website data. If you see some information here, you scroll down and clear everything. But since we have cleared it from the other section, we can't see anything here. That means both the cookies, browsing data, and cache have been cleared.
If this house, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology, okay? Hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.